Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the number 1 from Number Lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eye. Let's draw a rounded rectangle shape near the top on an angle. Now inside, let's draw a line across the middle. Next, underneath this line, let's draw a rectangle shape. And then let's color it in black. Next, let's hop over to the left side of the eye and let's draw a curve up. Then for the top, let's draw an S-shaped curve over to the right and back down, stopping here. Then a small bump, and then angle it back down and in. And now a small curve up on the top right. Now let's hop back over to the left and draw the mouth. On the bottom left of the eye, let's draw a curve down. Now let's move over to the right side of the eye and let's draw a curve down here. Then an angle out to the left, extending it out a little bit further. And now from the end, let's curve it down. Now let's draw the right side of the body by continuing the line down. Next, from the left side, let's step up and draw a line out. And then for the right, let's curve it up and out like this. Now let's curve it down on both sides. And then a line across to close off the bottom. And that's it for the number 1. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!